Hey, Cindy from Ignite Your Flow here. This is just a little exercise that I would share that I've been doing. It's mirror work, basically. What you do is every morning when you go to the bathroom, first thing, look in the mirror, deep into your eyes, like look right into your eyeballs, like your eyeballs are the universe. Don't look at anything else, like no flaws at all. Do not critique your face. Just look deeply into your eyes and say, "Good morning, beautiful. I love you." And just go on with your day. And do that every single morning for like a month, every single morning. And I guarantee you, you will start looking forward to it. And you will start telling everybody in your house, "Good morning, beautiful. I love you." Because it's like magical. And if you want to take it one step farther, you can look in the mirror also throughout the day, like not just once in the morning, throughout the day, and look deeply into your eyes, right into your eyeballs, and real close, and just say to yourself, like you're talking to yourself, like your greatest lover, you could say, "You are beautiful. You are divine. You are a genius. You are magic." Or you could say, "I am a genius. I am divine. I am love. I am the universe." Whatever you want. Try this out, and I guarantee you, you will get addicted to it. And you'll like go throughout the day finding a time to go look in the mirror and tell yourself these things. This is like great self-love. Peace. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.